Do you ever catch yourself thinking that you are simply not smart enough to speak fluent English? Hello, language lovers. Welcome back to English with KD7. I am here to make your English learning journey simple, practical, and highly effective. So let's start practicing together right now. Stop right there because you are doing yourself a massive disservice. You are underestimating the most powerful tool you possess. Your own mind. We all share equal mental potential, but the difference between someone who speaks with confidence and someone who remains stuck comes down to self belief and daily habit. Today, I am going to show you a simple life changing method to train your mind so that fluent English speech becomes your natural reflex. Understanding your mind acts very much like a young child. uh, Whatever language patterns, phrases, and ideas you feed it consistently, it stores away and returns you when you need them most. If you consistently feed your mind hesitation, fear, and self-doubt, it will return silence when you try to speak. But when you actively train it with a daily real-time English phrasing, it instantly retrieves the right words during actual conversations. To make this work, you must apply this technique repeatedly every single day until it becomes completely automatic. Self narration of daily action. To start this mental training, begin narrating your own personal actions from the moment you open your eyes in the morning until you go to sleep at night. Um, our daily lives are packed with the continuous activities, so use those exact moments as your practice ground. When you open your eyes early in the morning, tell yourself, I am waking up right now. Once you sit up on your bed, follow it up with, I have woken up and now I am stretching my arms. If you yawn, say out loud, I am yawning because I am still a bit sleepy. When you walk to the bathroom, say, I am brushing my teeth, and after this, I will take a warm shower. As you prepare your breakfast or commute to work, keep this continuous inner dialogue going. Like, I am chopping vegetables for breakfast and my tea is boiling on the stove, or I am heading to the office now and I will meet my friend for a quick chat. Notice how simple these sentence structures are. You combine the present continuous for what you are doing right now, the present perfect for completed actions, and the simple future for your next step. This continuous self narration trains your brain to connect English directly to physical reality, narrating your external environment. Once you become too comfortable describing your own action, explain your focus to everything happening around you. The world is full of sights, sounds, and constant motion, and every single detail is a chance to build fluency. When you walk down the street or sit near a window, observe your surroundings and describe them instantly. A fast car is driving down the road, and an old man is walking his dog in the park, or a shopkeeper is opening his store, and two people are standing near the tea stall talking. And immediately, if you catch a pleasant scene nearby, say a lovely fragrance is coming from that bakery and it smells wonderful, describing what you see uh, trains your brain to handle unexpected vocabulary and keeps your mind active. You do not need complex dictionary words. You simply need clear and connected thoughts using everyday compound sentences. The addition mindset and self evaluation. Now let us talk about your mindset. And when progress feels slow, consider the famous story, Thomas Edison, when he was working to invent the electric light bulb. It is said that he conducted thousands of experiments before finally achieving success. When a reporter asked him if he felt discouraged by so many failed attempts, Edison gave a brilliant response. He replied, I have not failed. I have simply discovered thousands of ways that will not work. That is the exact mindset you must adopt on your English journey. If you have been trying to learn for a long time without seeing results, do not label yourself as a failure. Instead, analyze your approach. Ask yourself, if you are relying on outdated translation habits, if you are avoiding daily spoken practice, evaluate your daily routine, correct your mistakes with pride, and adjust your path just like addition did. Personal growth and final encouragement. If you look back at my order, If you can look at my older videos on this channel, you will see how much my own camera confidence and speech flow have evaluated over time. I used to struggle and hesitate just like anyone else, but consistent daily practice turned my hesitation into natural expression. You possess that exact same potential inside your train your mind daily through action, narration, describe the world around you, and embrace your every mistake as a step towards mystery. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If this message inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more continuous guidance. Keep practice every day. Believe in your mind, and I will see you in all the very next video. Stay dedicated and bye bye. Thank you very much for watching this video.